I think my dad has that.
Oh my god! Hey Forum, Manny back here with another video on the CascadeScents fragrance station, and I'm back with my friend Lily again.
Hi.
Well, thank you for doing this. I really appreciate it.
I'm glad to be here.
And I can't wait for you to do this. This is going to be you this time ranking beginner fragrances, but not niche, but ones that are super more accessible. We're gonna look at some designer scents here.
Bring it down to my level.
Yeah, I guess so. So I hope this helps you guys out. These are great starting points in case you are looking for something for a certain time of the year, if not more often, more of these times of the years. Because I would say a lot of these are hella versatile, so hopefully you guys enjoy this too for that. So we might as well get on with this. We're gonna start off with this one right here. So, first impressions of that, how do you feel about it?
Okay, I like this one. This one again is kind of giving me that vibe of the like men's scented things that you get at the pharmacy, like the Old Spice body washes and whatnot. But I really like that. Watch it be something like still pretty expensive.
Yikes. But with that being said, what would you score this out of 10?
It's pretty good. Probably like an 8.
Alrighty, so Oct for this one right here. And the one we're talking about is Bleu de Chanel by Chanel. It's the Eau de Toilette concentration, by the way. So it's the most inexpensive version of the fragrance. And it's the initial version, of course, that dropped some number of years back. I bought it about 4 or 5 years ago. And I had the intention of actually wearing it a lot because, of course, it's a 150 ml. And I wanted to get through this with my work days and whatnot. But of course, I really didn't, just because I have X amount of scents and stuff. But I still think it's a welcome fragrance for that kind of rotation if you are looking for something for work that is, I guess, crowd pleasing. But about this right here, of course, there's 2 new versions out there now, and I still think that this is still very expensive, and I'm not sure how much more you want to spend on just smelling like shower gel per se. But yeah, there you have it. Again, it's Bleu de Chanel EDT by Chanel. Okay, we have the next one for you, and it's this right here.
Okay. Okay, it smells old school. I don't know if that makes sense, or if it's gonna make sense once you tell the viewers what it is, but it smells like more of a vintagey type of fragrance. I guess it's musky, maybe? I don't know if that's the right word, but it smells like something that my dad might have worn at some point in time. But it smells good. There's a sweetness to it too. I like it.
So, you mentioned your dad could be potentially wearing this scent. Who else could be wearing this and for what?
This smells kind of like a holiday to me. I don't know if maybe it's just because I always see my older relatives at holidays, but it's like it's something that an older person would wear, not like a young person our age.
So it's a tad dated.
Yeah, I still like it though.
If you could give this a score out of 10, what would it be?
7?
7, all right. The one she is talking about is La Nuit de l'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent.
I think my dad has that.
Oh my god!
That looks very familiar.
Oh wow, okay, so that explains a lot.
Yeah, my dad 100% has this fragrance.
Okay, first off, this stuff rocks, but I can see, besides you saying it's dated because your dad wears it, but also because I think this DNA, as far as trends, is just kind of coming and going. But it's weird because this aromatic style, as far as lavenders and stuff, the way it's executed here with cardamom and sweeter, spicier elements, just makes it feel like it's from 10, 11 years ago for me. So I can see dated, but kind of in a different sense. But you do like it.
Yeah.
7 out of 10, dad scent, La Nuit de l'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent. Who would have thought? We got another one here, and it smells like that.
Oh, okay, this smells like a Christmas tree to me. Like piney. I like it. It literally smells like a sweeter version of that scent that you would spray your artificial Christmas tree with to make it smell more real. Yeah, I like it, but it doesn't smell like something I would want to wear.
So, out of 10, what would you give it?
Like a 6?
Okay, so you don't hate it, it's just you don't think it should be a cologne.
Yeah.
All right, the one she is talking about is this. It's called Terre d'Hermès, also in the Eau de Toilette concentration, of course.
Yeah, you fooled me. We put that on after we filmed the last video, and I didn't mind it. However, I will say, as the night wore on, perhaps I put too much on, I found it to become quite cloying, and I was ready to wash it off.
That's fair. For me, I would definitely describe this as something of a woody nature, so for you to say it smells kind of, I guess, arboreal, makes a lot of sense. However, this also opens up kind of spicy, kind of orangey. I personally love it, but for you, 6 out of 10, but I can still see where she's coming from. And the second last scent, here we go.
this is Viktor and Rolf Spice Bomb. It could be unisex depending on, you know, your personality. I, of course, wear it from time to time. I don't think it's a daytime fragrance at all. It's like going out and on the town and, yeah, going to the bar.
Yeah, so on some gang shit, this is what you'd wear. So, of course, you know all about this, and Miss I Wear Spice Bomb. What would you score it out of 10?
8.
You're out here trying to be like objective and shit, you know, despite you wearing this. I respect that a lot. That's cool. Of course, homegirl's not wrong. This shit is Spice Bomb, 50 ml, Viktor and Rolf, the OG. Is it because it's sweeter than most guys' fragrances that you would actually find this unisex, I guess?
I guess I'm of the opinion that spice isn't a gendered scent. Like,
Right.
I don't particularly find masculine, whereas some of the other scents, like the shower gel of
Right.
the Chanel one, is more obviously masculine to me.
Stuff like this, which historically has been considered masculine, I guess really isn't as much now. So I think that's cool that you actually fuck with this. So, Viktor and Rolf Spice Bomb. There you go. And last but not least, about the scent. There you go.
Ooh, okay. I find this to be very unique. I feel like this might be more of a daytime fragrance if it was on a man, so like work or whatever. I really can't pinpoint the scents in here though, like what the notes are, but I like it a lot.
Out of 10 then, what would you give it?
I'm gonna say 9.
Whoa, not shocked. So the one we're talking about is called the one in the Eau de Parfum concentration by Dolce & Gabbana. And now this fragrance right here conjures up a lot of memories for me because back in the day in high school, this was one of the most popular scents at the high school we attended for us. It's more like I hate the fact that I know a lot of people who have it, but otherwise it's just a fairly unique scent, like you said. 9 out of 10, not shocked. Wow, it still gets the job done, guys. The one by Dolce & Gabbana. Again, it is your winner. Do you have anything you want to say to close this out?
I did like pretty much all of these fragrances, whether or not I would wish to wear them. Not like the last time when I really didn't like that other one.
Yes. Santal 33 by Labo. You absolutely just did not with it.
I didn't like that one, but I liked all these, so good picks.
But you also see these fragrances as things that young men or anyone in general could just kind of gravitate towards and feel accessible to. Like they're not like too crazy experimental.
No.
Okay, I think that kind of proves my point, but if you guys want to find out for yourself, definitely pop into your local Macy's or Sephora, wherever you get a chance, and yeah, these are this. So again, thank you, Lily. I really appreciate you coming by. I'll leave her links in the description below if you guys want to creep her. That's kind of messed up, but okay. But yeah, honestly, thank you guys again for tuning in. We really appreciate the ongoing support. Give us a thumbs up if you want to see Lily back on the channel. And also let us know what you think of this video in the comment section below. 500 likes and a random subscriber in the comments gets an assorted niche fragrance sample pack. But until then, I'll see you guys later. So take care, peace out, bye. Wear your fragrances.